Hey everyone, welcome back to our DIY appliance fixes channel. If you're staring at the error code I10 on your Electrolux dishwasher from 2025 models, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can be fixed with a few simple steps. Today, I'll guide you through troubleshooting and resolving it quickly, so you can get back to clean dishes without the hassle. First off, let's break down what error code I10 means. It typically signals a problem with the water inlet system, like low water pressure, a blocked hose, or a faulty valve. This error prevents your dishwasher from filling up properly, which can be frustrating but is often easy to fix at home. Before we dive in, safety first. Always unplug your dishwasher or turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical risks. Got that? Great. Let's start with step 1. Check your water supply. Make sure the water valve under your sink or connected to the dishwasher is fully open. If it's partially closed or if there's low pressure in your home, that could be the culprit. Give it a quick twist and test the machine again. Step 2. Inspect the inlet hose. This hose connects your dishwasher to the water supply, and it might be kinked, bent, or clogged. Carefully pull out the dishwasher if needed, straighten the hose, and check for any blockages or damage. If it's damaged, you'll need to replace it. Grab a compatible one from your local hardware store. Step 3. Clean the filters and inlet screens. Debris from dishes can build up over time, blocking water flow. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it, and rinse it under warm water. Also, check the inlet screen on the hose connection and clean it thoroughly. Step 4. Reset the dishwasher. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Turn off the power, wait about 5 minutes, and then turn it back on. Run a short cycle to see if the error clears. If none of these steps work, it might be a more serious issue like a faulty water inlet valve, and it's time to call a professional technician. Regular maintenance, like cleaning your filters monthly, can help prevent this error in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember, fixing it yourself saves time and money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips.